Hello, fifth graders. I'm sorry that you're quarantined, but we'll try to make the most of it. I know most of you have begun your Earth Day rondo form compositions. So what I'm going to be asking you to do at home is I'm going to have you find 3 items just like we did in class. Remember how I had suggested if you could find 3 things that are made out of different materials. So I chose plastic, metal, cardboard. But it wouldn't have to be those 3 things. It could be any 3 things that work at your house. Remember, the A section is the part that I've already taught you, and I'll post that as well in the slides. So practice that. And then I know you don't have your papers at home, so what you're going to do is you just take a blank piece of paper, draw 16 beats for your B section, and then draw 16 beats for your C section. And when you post this on Flipgrid on Earth Day, you're going to perform it A, B, A, C, A in rondo form. So I'm going to quick do the A section for you one more time so you can get it in your head. Here I go. And remember that half note at the end, you bounce up to 2 beats. It doesn't go 1, 2. It goes 1, 2. In your B and C section, if you put a half note, remember you cannot fill in the next blank because the half note gets 2 beats or a half rest gets 2 beats. I can't wait to hear your compositions and have a great time writing these at home. I know it's not the same as being at school, but at least I'll be able to watch you on Flipgrid. See you next week, everybody. Bye.